Whoa! Welcome back, everybody. What is this? Got a great video for you today. This ceiling fan, it's gotta go. If you've got one, you're gonna wanna watch this video. Do you still operate your ceiling fan with pull chains and medallions? DREO recently approached me asking if I'd like to try out their newly released smart ceiling fan. They said it serves as both a ceiling fan and a light, boasting high intelligence, extreme quietness, and the ability to adjust the brightness infinitely. The one it will be replacing was a bit noisy and it was old-fashioned. I looked through the guide they sent over. It's really simple, just 4 steps, so let's jump right in. Step 1 is we got to get the old ceiling fan down. So I'm going to take this light kit off. That'll give me access to the screws, to the fan, and then this canopy will be able to slide down and we'll be able to unhook it. I will be setting a world record attempt today. Now, it won't be an attempt, it will be a world record for this swap. I'm shooting for, place your bets. I don't have, whoa, easy, easy. This is one of the reasons we got to get rid of this. Come on. You should also disconnect the electricity before attempting this. You may get a spark show later on in the video. That cutout right there is where you access all the screws. So you gotta undo one and then spin it, undo one and then spin it. Whoa! This is an old house. I believe the switch to the light is new and the electricity to the fan is very old. I'll leave a link down in the description for one of these. I use it all the time. If you're a real scaredy cat, go with a full multimeter and touch the bare wires. There we go, little zig, little zag. So this is the DREO Smart Ceiling Fan in the color white. It also comes in black and silver. You have your paper manual here. You've got your kind of a quick start guide to use the remote control and the phone app. And one thing that is kind of cool with this is it does pair with your Google Home. Step 1 for me is to get this bracket installed. Make sure that your bracket is installed very securely. Oh! That's what you like to hear. That's how you know it's sent home. Here's your light kit. Quick, easy plug and play. No wire nuts or anything for the light kit. So with this light fixture, you can put all your fan blades in on the ground. You don't have to do it on a ladder up at the ceiling. This kit comes with 2 length poles. Obviously in this one we're going to use the shortest pole, so I'm going to swap over this little ball to the short one. These have the washers that go underneath the screws. A set screw, a through screw. Then there's this pin that drops out, pin back in. Then we got a short one. Open up these blades. I think we put the whitewash wood color facing down. Just slide in these slots. And I'm going to flip this over. I'm going to use the foam as kind of a little workbench. Going to attach the bar to the fan. Always make sure you put in your little escutcheon deals before you attach it. I don't know how many times back when I was an apprentice I'd install a ceiling fan and forget one of these things, so make sure you don't do that. Now they're on there, and you won't forget it. This here is pretty straightforward. There's a pin that's got to come out, so it's going to back out the set screws, pin out. We'll be trimming these wires in just a second. They come extra long for many different size down rods. Put your cotter pin back in your main pin and snug up your set screws. So at this stage, it's ready to go up on the ceiling. Snip these short, strip them back. All right, up we go. So this ball goes up and over and in, and then you got to twist it a little bit to get the little detent to line up. And then we twist, boom, right there. So I'm going to hook up these wires, then we'll move on to trying to program this thing and turn the power on. This is the light kit. Ooh, look at that, nice and sleek. All right, that's it. I'm gonna go turn the power on. We'll get to programming this smart ceiling fan. This is the remote control. It comes with a battery already in it. You just pull a little piece of plastic out and it connects the battery. A very straightforward remote control. Fan control, light control, dimmer on the light. Can even change the color of the light, which I like. There we go. That's a little more easy on the eyes. Next, I'm going to show you how to get this all hooked up to your smart home because it's super smart. Hey Google, turn the fan light on.
All right, turning on light on the ceiling fan.
Hey Google, turn the ceiling fan on.
Got it, turning the ceiling fan on.
Not bad. I'll put a couple screenshots in from the phone that shows a couple of the steps to get this hooked up to Wi-Fi. You can control it from your phone as well as your Google Home. The remote control has a little bracket. I got it on the wall. I just used the double-sided tape. It does come with screws. I like that you can change the color tone of the light. You can easily reverse the rotation without having to get up there and flip a switch. I'll put a link to the DREO ceiling fan down in the description. I'll put the coupon code right here on the screen. I'll also put it in the description so you can get yourself a discount. Just gonna put this on high speed and see how well it's balanced from the factory. That's perfect. Moves a ton of air, it's very quiet, and it's very well balanced, which I like. One of the worst things is having to balance a cheap ceiling fan.